Hi everyone, this is Charles Palmer and this is Social Constructivism, and I am introducing this as as a learning theory, and as we go through this, keep in mind I will provide some examples on how this works in a online environment and also just training in general. First off, before we go into social constructivism, the normal constructivism, we'll talk about that. And it is a theory that suggests that humans construct knowledge from their experiences, meaning that they will, or we as humans, are able to learn better by using the information they're giving provided and constructing it with their own knowledge, therefore creating new information, new knowledge, and skills. Now that we know a little bit about constructivism and the differences, the social aspect of constructivism and other learning theories. So first, learning is a collaborative process according to social, and motivation wise, it is also extrinsic and intrinsic. Now, the social context can't be separated from learning, meaning the learners not only learn best from experience, but also the social side of learning. So it's discourse with peers or discourse from instructor. And lastly, social learning is about internal constructs as well. So when you think of social, you automatically think of external, but the internal part is people's personal experiences and how that coincides with the social aspects of learning. Andragogy and the social constructivist technology. In regards to e-learning and mobile learning, it's important to understand that learning should involve social interventions, and with that, the content and skills should be relevant to their learner experiences. That goes without saying, especially when you think of constructivism in general. Instructors serve mainly as facilitators, not lecturers, so because the social aspect of this learning requires discourse and conversation, the facilitator, the instructor is more a facilitator because they are pushing the conversation. And whenever possible, it should take place in the real world. Social learning could also use gamification and social functions. So you can use Facebook or connected links. If your LMS has social built inside, that would be a great example. And of course, the key is always getting discourse. The key is talking. And lastly, the social cultural aspect of constructivism is the deeper level meaning of connections to learners. So it's the learner's culture and purpose, and that's when you're connecting all the dots for the learner. Also, again, the collaboration. It is absolute must when it comes to social constructivism. Without it, it would not be social constructivism. Thanks.